So good morning students, welcome back again. Now let us solve rest of the questions from question number 8 onwards. So let us begin the class. So see question number 8 to question number 12. The old women said to the old women said to the man, can you tell me the way to the nearest temple? So dear students, see here, this is your reported speech. This is in the interrogative form, okay? So when your reported speech is in the interrogative form, automatically your reported verb will change. This reported verb will change into asked, okay? So you need to make it asked, okay? So the old woman asked the man. In order to remove this double inverted commas, what will you do? You need to use there if and whether. Why? Because your reported speech is beginning with helping verb, okay? Auxiliary verb. You can see there can. Easily you can see can. That is your auxiliary verb, okay? So when your reported speech begins with an auxiliary verb, you need to use there if or whether. So use there if he, the second person, as you know, this changes according to the object. What is object? The man. So if he can change into could, okay? If he could tell her the way to the nearest temple, to the nearest her the way to the nearest temple. So this is what your answer is, okay? The old woman asked the man if he could tell her the way to the nearest temple. Now the next one. Help me to carry this heavy suitcase, said Mrs. Madan to me. So let us change this in the indirect speech. So here you can see help. Imperative sentence asking help, okay? A request or suggestion, command, okay? So here let us change Mrs. Madan. Here she is urging, she is requesting. So right there Mrs. urged. So your reported verb said will change into urged, okay? Mrs. Madan urged me to help her to carry this will change into that, okay? That heavy suitcase. Heavy suitcase. Heavy suitcase. Now the next one is question number 10. He said, children, be quiet and listen to me. This is again an imperative sentence. In the imperative sentence, what you do? You use to. So here your reported speech is said. This said will change into order, okay? He ordered children to be quiet. To be quiet and listen to. Listen to. This will change according to the, first person changes according to the subject. Listen to him, okay? Now next one is, the shopkeeper said to me, sir, can I help you? Now this is similar to the question number 8, okay? Because you can see your reported speech is in the interrogative form, okay? So while changing the interrogative form, especially when it is beginning with auxiliary verb, okay? So you need to use there the shopkeeper. Your reported verb will change into asked. Okay, now asked. The shopkeeper asked me. In order to remove this double inverted comma, you need to use there if or whether. Okay, so use there if I could help him, this now will become then. Now the next question number 12. The teacher said to the boy, this is not the first time you have received your friend. So let us change this. See the reported speech. A reported speech is in the assertive sentence. So let us change. The teacher said to, in the place of said to, told. Okay, the teacher told the boy. Remove this double inverted comma. So that was not the first time I had, in the place of have, usually had, I had received my friend. So we have completed up to 12. So let me erase this portion. We will complete remaining questions now. So now let us solve the question number 13. Mother said to me, wait here till I come back. Okay, so mother is requesting. So your reported verb will be requested. Mother requested me. In order to remove this double inverted commas, you will use there to. Okay, why? Because this is an imperative sentence. Okay, to wait. Here will change there to wait there till, in the place of he, till she, because first person changed according to the subject. Mother is she. Okay, she. Now this come, as you know, come becomes go. Okay, till she go back. Okay, now next question number 14. The teacher said to the children, let us go out for a picnic. Now see, teacher, so in case of let, okay, you need to use there suggested. Okay, your reported speech will become suggested. The teacher suggested the children. In order to remove that, they should go out for a picnic. Go out for a picnic. Now last question 15. The police said to me, you have crossed the red light and I will book you for this. So the policeman told me that, then you, in the second person changed according to the object. What is your object? Me. I, this have will become had. I had crossed the red light and I, in the place, this first person changed according to subject. What is your subject? Police. So he will become would. He would book me for, in the place of this, that. So this is what we changed and we completed entire questions. So I hope you understood and try to complete this exercises that are given on the page number 101.